What if you could launch your own online academy without recording videos, without building lesson plans, and without spending months planning? Sounds unusual, right? But stay with me, because the shift happening in education right now is much bigger than most people realize. We live in a world where learning should be easier than ever. Information is everywhere. But the truth is, most people are overwhelmed, stuck, and not actually learning anything deeply. We save tutorials for later. We buy courses and never finish them. We binge content, but we don't retain any of it. And if you've ever tried to build a course yourself, you know how hard it is to stay consistent, stay confident, stay motivated, and actually produce the material. It's not your fault. It's the old learning system. The system expects you to create everything from scratch. The system expects students to stay motivated on their own. The system expects everyone to learn the same way. But here's the shift. The world is moving from information delivery to intelligent, guided learning. Learning that adapts. Learning that explains. Learning that supports the student while they learn. And this is the part that changes everything. Meet AI Virtual Academy, a fully built online academy framework powered by AI professors that teach real subjects, guide students, and explain concepts step by step. Instead of spending weeks creating lessons, you simply activate the academy, choose your subjects, personalize the experience, and invite your learners. No need to film, no need to edit, no need to design long modules. The teaching is handled by the AI. You guide the direction, the message, the audience. Imagine, you want to teach math basics, or coding fundamentals, or business foundations, or study support for students preparing for exams. You don't need lecture slides. You don't need voiceover. You don't need to be on camera. The AI professor explains the lesson. The AI professor demonstrates the concepts. The AI professor answers questions. You become the facilitator, not the content factory. This means no burnout planning endless course modules, no anxiety about recording yourself, no spiraling into perfectionism, no time wasted figuring out what to teach next. You focus on guiding, supporting, and building community. The system takes care of the delivery. Right now, everyone is talking about AI generating content, but the real opportunity is AI that teaches, AI that gives structure, AI that supports learning, AI that handles the repetitive explanations and foundational concepts, while you bring the direction, your unique voice, your brand, your mission. This changes what it means to build educational products. You are no longer limited by how much you personally can produce. When you get AI Virtual Academy, you receive a complete AI-powered academy platform, multiple AI professors already trained in core subjects, a clean student interface that feels professional and intuitive, tools to brand and customize your academy, the ability to enroll students and grow at your own pace, and a scalable foundation you can expand over time. And because the lessons are AI-driven, your academy updates itself. Students can learn at their own speed. You don't need to re-record anything, and you can add new subjects without rewriting everything. It's designed to be simple, scalable, sustainable. Think about what this means for you. If you always wanted to teach, if you always wanted to share something meaningful, if you always wanted to build a learning-based income stream, but something held you back, this removes that barrier. No performance anxiety, no course-building overwhelm, no endless planning. Just launch, guide, refine, and grow. If this resonates with you, if you feel even a slight, yes, this makes sense, then explore it now while it's still early. The people who move first gain the advantage. Click the link in the description box to see how the platform works and decide if it's the right step for you. Take your time, look through it clearly, and if it aligns with the direction you see yourself growing into, start now, because education is changing, learning is changing, And those who guide learning next will lead the future. If you found this valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.